Nike is a huge sportswear brand. This plan uses the SawStack framework to do 3 things by April 2026. Get 25% more visitors to Nike.com. Boost likes and comments on social media by 30% and increase online sales by 15%. We're focusing on Gen Z and millennials, ages 15 to 45 who love fitness cool styles, and brands that care about the environment. Our plan includes interesting campaigns, awesome technology like AR try-ons, where you can see shoes on your phone, and stories that make people feel pumped up. For example, we could do a TikTok challenge with Alakal famous runner to get fans excited. This plan matters because it keeps Nike as the top sportswear brand in a world where everyone's online. I think Nike apps and social media are already super engaging, but they can do even more to connect with people and make them feel part of the Just Do It vibe. Nike's online game is super strong, but there's always room to get better. Its website, Nike.com, gets about 180 million visits a month, which is huge. You can even design your own shoes with Nike by you, which I think is so cool because it makes shopping personal. Nike's apps, like Nike Run Club and Nike Training Club, make workouts fun and keep people coming back with stuff like running challenges. On social media, Nike is everywhere. Instagram, over 300 million followers on @Nike. Plus other accounts like @Nike Women 7.5 million and @Nike Basketball 16 million for specific groups. X shares motivational quotes and athlete stories, like posts about Serena Williams to get people talking. YouTube videos like the Dream Crazy campaign with Colin Kaepernick get millions of views and make fans feel inspired. China platforms, Nike has 190,000 followers on Rednote Xiaoshongshu and 800,000 on Douyin, posting trendy videos with hashtags like #OOD outfit of the day. Some numbers, Nike's Instagram posts got 8.8 million likes and comments in just 3 months. Online sales were 30% of Nike's revenue in 2020, up 83% from the year before. That's a big jump. Problems. Some people find the checkout process on Nike.com confusing, like too many steps to buy shoes. Also, Nike's gotten flack for labor issues, like bad factory conditions, which hurts its image. I think fixing these could make Nike even more popular. Strengths. Everyone knows Nike's logo and Just Do It slogan, they're iconic. Its apps and AR try-ons where you can see shoes on your phone are next level. Big stars like LeBron James and Zhang Qinwen make Nike's ads exciting. Weaknesses. Nike spends $3.3 billion a year on marketing, which is a ton, and not every ad pays off. Labor scandals, like reports about unfair worker conditions, keep popping up and make some people mad. The digital world is changing fast, and Nike needs to keep up. Digital life, 4.48 billion people use social media, and 60% of web visits come from phones. That means most people shop on their phones. Personalization, 71% of shoppers love brands with AR features, like Nike's virtual try-ons, where you can see how shoes look on your feet. Sustainability, 66% of Gen Z want brands that help the planet. Metaverse, Nike's working with Rift to make nths, like using recycled materials, which are digital items like virtual sneakers you can own in games or online worlds. This is a big trend for younger fans. Objectives. This part is about setting clear goals for Nike's digital plan. We want to make sure everything we do helps Nike grow online. We've got 3 big goals to hit by April 2026. 1 year from now, each one is planned out to make sure Nike stays awesome online. Specific, get 25% more people visiting Nike.com. Right now, it gets 180 million visits a month, so we want to hit around 225 million. Measurable, we'll use Google Analytics to check how many people visit each month. It's like a counter for website clicks. Achievable, we can do this by making Nike.com show up higher on Google with search engine optimization SEO, like using keywords such as best running shoes. We'll also run ads on Instagram and link the Nike Run Club app to the website so people click through. Keep popping up and make some people mad. Social media engagement. Specific, increase likes, comments, and shares on Nike's social media by 30%. This means more people interacting with posts on Instagram, TikTok, and X. Achievable, we'll work with influencers, like a runner with a big TikTok following, to post about Nike gear. We'll also make interactive content, like polls which Nike shoe is your fave, or AR filters where you try on virtual sneakers. For example, a filter could let you see Air Max shoes on your feet in a TikTok video. Conversions. Specific, boost online sales conversions by 15%. This means more people who visit Nike.com actually buy something, like shoes or shirts. Measurable, we'll check this by looking at checkout completions and total revenue in Nike's online store, using tools like Adobe Analytics. This part is about how Nike will make its goals happen. We'll figure out who Nike's customers are, which ones to focus on, and how to make Nike stand out from other brands. It's like making a game plan to win in the digital world. Segmentation means splitting Nike's audience into groups based on who they are and what they like. We think it's cool how Nike appeals to so many different people, from teens wanting trendy shoes to adults needing pro running gear. Targeting is picking the most important groups to focus on. Nike can't talk to everyone the same way, so we'll prioritize to groups. Main group, Gen Z and Millennials 15-30, these are young people glued to Instagram, TikTok, and Nike's apps. They want stuff that's unique, like custom sneakers, and love brands that feel personal. For example, they'd go wild for a TikTok video, where they can try on virtual shoes with an AR filter. Secondary group, athletes 25-45, for Gen Z, we'll push trendy sneakers with influencers. For athletes, we'll show off gear in Nike Run Club challenges. This way, we reach more people but still make it feel special. Positioning is how Nike makes itself different from competitors like Adidas or Lululemon. Adidas focuses on functional stuff like soccer cleats, and Lululemon is mostly for women and yoga. Nike mixes performance, style, and a global community. It's like Nike's the leader of a big, diverse team. We think Nike's Just Do It message is so powerful because it makes everyone feel like they can be an athlete, which really sets it apart. To make our goals happen, we'll focus on 4 big ideas. These are like the main plays in our game plan. 1. Tech innovation. Use more AR try-ons, like letting people see how clothes look on them through their phone. 2. Great content. Share short, exciting videos on TikTok and Instagram, like real athletes training or fans showing off their Nike gear. 3. Community building. Grow Nike membership and app events, like virtual runs where people compete for badges. 4. Sustainability focus. Push eco-friendly products, like sneakers made from recycled plastic. To win over Gen Z, ads could show how Nike's saving the planet, like these shoes are 50% recycled, join the green team. To make our plan work, we need to really understand Nike's customers, especially Gen Z and Millennials, and how they use the internet and shop. Spending power. Gen Z buys often but spends less per purchase, like $50 on a basic shoe. They'll save up for collabs, like Nike x Billie Eilish sneakers. Millennials splurge on premium stuff, like $150 running shoes, to show their status or love for fitness. Mobile shopping. 60% of their purchases happen on phones, especially during commutes 7-9 am or 5-7 p.m. Nike's data says if a page takes over 3 seconds to load, 85% of people ditch their shopping cart. That's a big problem. Performance. Serious athletes need durable gear, like shoes that last through marathons. Casual users want comfy stuff for gym class or jogging. Sustainability. Gen Z will pay 12-15 more for eco-friendly products, like Nike's recycled plastic sneakers. They check if brands are legit green, with 54% looking for eco-certifications. Consideration. 20% use AR try-ons, which cut returns by 35% because people know the shoes fit. App users who join Nike Run Club training programs buy 1.8 times more than others. Some compare prices on Nike.com, then try shoes in store. Others buy instantly on Xiaoshongshu after seeing a post. Price. Gen Z is picky about basic shoe prices but will pay 5 times more for collabs that look cool online. Fakes. Fake Nike products confuse shoppers and hurt trust. Some worry about being called out for wearing fakes at school, which is a bigger deal than the cost. Checkout. A clunky checkout process makes people give up. Nike's data shows 85% abandon carts if it's too slow. Strategies to reach them. Personalization. Use AI to suggest stuff, like try Zoom's shoes for your running style, based on Nike Run Club data. For example, if someone runs 10,000 a week, the app could recommend cushioned sneakers. Mobile first, make checkout lightning fast under 3 seconds, and let people buy without signing up. I think this is key because nobody wants to fill out forms on their phone. Community, host virtual runs with leaderboards and prizes, like free socks for running 100 kilometers. This makes users feel part of Nike's team. Sustainability, show off green products and ads, like these sneakers are 50% recycled, help save the planet. Gen Z loves this stuff. Fight fakes, create fun anti-counterfeit tutorials, like a TikTok video showing how to spot real Nike logos. Set up an authenticity check feature on the app where users can choose to verify them, because they use tech, fun campaigns, and community vibes to get people loving Nike. They're perfect for Gen Z, who want stuff that's personal and shareable, and athletes who need gear that performs. This part is like a calendar for making our Nike plan happen. It shows what we'll do, when, and who's in charge over the next 12 months, April 2025 to March 2026. It's super important to have a clear plan so everyone knows their job and we hit our goals of more website traffic, social media buzz, and sales. April-June 2025, first 3 months, this is when we kick things off with some big moves to get started. SEO audit and keyword boost, check Nike.com's search rankings and add 5% more keywords, like eco-friendly running shoes or Nike workout gear. This helps more people find the site on Google. The marketing team will work with an SEO expert to do this. TikTok hashtag Nike Run Challenge, launch a campaign where a local runner with a big TikTok following posts a video running in Nike shoes, challenging fans to do a 5,000 and share with hashtag Nike Run Challenge. Will include an AR filter to try on virtual shoes. The marketing team will pick the influencer and make the filter. Streamline checkout, fix the checkout process on Nike.com to cut cart abandonment by 5%. This means making it faster under 3 seconds and letting people buy without signing up. The IT team will test and update the website. We think starting with these is smart because they tackle big problems, like slow checkouts, and get fans excited on TikTok right away. July-December 2025, months 4-9. Now we'll build on our start and try bigger things. Scale influencer partnerships, work with 10 micro-influencers, like fitness bloggers or runners with 10,000-50,000 followers on Instagram or DM. They'll post about Nike gear, like why I love my Zoom shoes. The marketing team will find and manage these influencers. Virtual Nike Run Club events, host online races where users compete via Nike Run Club. For example, a global 10,000 challenge with digital medals and real prizes, like free socks for the top 100 runners. The marketing and IT teams will set up the app features and promote it. Metaverse Store pilot, test a virtual Nike store in a metaverse platform, like Roblox, where users can buy digital sneakers or try on gear in a 3D world. The IT team will build it, and marketing will advertise it to Gen Z. These steps are cool because they keep the hype going and try new stuff, like a virtual store, which I think Gen Z will love. January-March 2026, months 10-12. This is when we check how we're doing and make final pushes. Analyze KPIs, look at our key performance indicators KPIs, like website visits, social media likes, and sales, to see what's working. If something's not great, like low TikTok engagement, we'll tweak it. For example, try a new influencer. The analytics team will make reports. Sustainability campaign for Gen Z, launch a big ad campaign about Nike's eco-friendly products, like join the green team with our recycled sneakers. We'll post on TikTok and Instagram, showing how Nike helps the planet. The marketing team will create videos and ads. Fix weak spots, if anything's off, like too many fake products online. We'll add an authenticity check feature to the Nike app where users can choose to verify them. The IT and marketing teams will roll this out. We like this phase because it's about checking our work and ending strong with a green campaign that Gen Z will eat up. If things go wrong, like fake products hurting sales, we'll launch anti-counterfeit tutorials on TikTok, showing how to spot real Nike gear. Add the authenticity check app feature faster. If a campaign flops, for example, low #Nike Run Challenge entries, switch to a new platform like Snapchat or try a different influencer. We think this action plan is solid because it's clear, spreads tasks over a year, and has backups if something fails. It's like having a map to make sure Nike wins online. The plan leverages Nike's strengths: iconic "just do it" storytelling, cutting-edge apps, and stars like LeBron James, while tackling threats like fake products with app-based authenticity checks. We're doubling down on sustainability, promoting eco-friendly sneakers to win Gen Z, who'll pay 15% more for green gear. Our metaverse pilot and AI-driven recommendations will keep Nike ahead of Adidas and Lululemon in tech innovation. The action plan spreads tasks over 12 months, starting with SEO and TikTok campaigns, scaling to influencer partnerships, and ending with a green-focused push. This isn't just a plan, it's a way to make Nike the digital leader, inspiring every athlete and building loyalty. We are confident it'll drive results, and we'd love to discuss how we can bring it to life. Let's make Nike unstoppable online.